This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Judy Holland. Open floor plan in Ellerbe Road Estates. Professional landscaping, fenced backyard, double gates to backyard. Wood floors, stainless steel appliances, frig remains and granite counters. Remote owner's suite, updated lighting in kitchen includes over and over cabinet lighting, can lighting, gas range, new hot water heater, new roof and new air conditioner. Lots of storage, walk-in closets, garage has nice storage space and complete floored attic. Utility info, average electric $200, Dowas, $85, gas, $25 summer, $50 winter. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Holland at 318-349-69.